Want to send money to loved ones in Ghana quickly, safely, and easily? Let's walk through exactly how to do it using Worldremit. First, if you don't already have one, you'll need to create a Worldremit account. Head to worldremit.com or download the Worldremit app on your phone. Click on Sign Up and follow the prompts. You'll need to provide your email address, create a password, and verify your identity. Make sure you have a valid photo ID handy, like a driver's license or passport, as you'll likely need to upload a copy. Once you're logged in, start a new transfer. You'll first select Ghana as the country you're sending money to. Next, you'll need to enter your recipient's details. This includes their full name, address in Ghana, and phone number. Double-check this information carefully to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. If you're sending to a bank account, you'll also need their bank name and account number. Now, choose how your recipient will receive the money. Worldremit offers several options, including bank transfers directly into their Ghanaian bank account, mobile money transfers to their mobile wallet like Mountain Mobile Money or Vodafone Cash, or cash pickup at designated agent locations. Select your payment method. You can pay with a debit card, credit card, or a bank transfer. Keep in mind that fees may vary depending on the payment method you choose, so compare the options. Before you finalize the transfer, you'll see a summary of the transaction, including the amount you're sending, the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the total amount you'll be charged. Review everything carefully to make sure it's correct. Finally, confirm your transfer. Once confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation message with a transaction reference number. You can share this number with your recipients so they can track the transfer. And that's it. You've successfully sent money from the USA to Ghana using Worldremit. Remember to always check Worldremit's website for the most up-to-date fees and exchange rates.